Many years ago, animals and humans lived together in joyful harmony. But then, a wicked trickster called High Roller fooled the animals into thinking humans were their enemies. Chaos reigned until an army of heroes came together to protect the humans and end the war. Lin Chung, Jumpy Ghostface, Mystique Sonia, Mighty Ray. This is Hero 108.
The Chinese word for hello is ni hao. Try it, Jumpy.
Ni hao?
Excellent! No, isn't human language lovely? So refined, so gentle, so stop distracting my students, you dumb insect! What kind of insolence is this? Why, I ought to... give you the medallion of turtle-hearted bravery. Jumpy Ghostface, when I raised an angry wing against a weaker opponent, you had the courage to rise up and protect him. Bravo.
And double bravo! You, Jumpy, are truly a rabbit among bunnies.
Ni hao, butterfly.
And now, I bestow upon you a great honor to guard and protect Parrot King on his way back to Parrot Castle for a well-earned vacation.
Thank you, Commander. To see the fine plumage of my parrot brethren again. They're becoming great friends with the humans, you know. Let's hurry.
I hate those animal traitors! Let's kidnap them and get a reward from Master High Roller. It'll be easy, because look! The full moon fills our ghost lanterns with magical power!
We've arrived, Jumpy. Oh, prepare to witness our hero's welcome. Greetings, citizens! Your king has... What's going on here? Where are all the parrots?
Oh, Parrot King! They've been imprisoned by the soldiers of darkness.
The soldiers of darkness.
The who?
They're a gang of angry humans who don't trust any animal.
Not even our gentle, rainbow-colored parrot friends.
Come, Jumpy. We must free my citizens from the soldiers of darkness. Good thing the soldiers of darkness leave a trail of skulls wherever they go. Yes, Jumpy. The word for that is blanket.
The soldiers of darkness trapped the traitors! That was our plan! Those soldiers of darkness are in big trouble!
My word, that was a deep pit.
am the commander of darkness!
We come in peace, sir, seeking only the release of my fellow parrots.
Animals don't understand peace. They force humans to live in caves.
But the parrots have learned to live in peace with the humans.
I hate caves! The soldiers of darkness want revenge! Oh, gee, oh, up a bad dark, scary dark, bad, scary dark.
The commander of darkness is afraid of the dark?
It's not nice to laugh at someone just because they happen to have a debilitating phobia. Soldiers, lock these beasts in the cage of the mountain sword! Eek.
I must admit, this is rather amusing. The poor parrots. Brag! However shall we liberate my brethren from the cage of the mountain sword?
Zebra clones! Attack the soldiers of darkness! Kidnap Jumpy, Ghostface, and Parrot King!
Commander, Zebra Clone Army approaching.
Not zebra clones! I hate zebra clones! No! Leave my candles alone!
Yes! Fly, my friends! We're free! We're free!
The day is lost! Soldiers of darkness, flee!
I thought you said they'd be easy to defeat.
We were outnumbered. I mean, come on. There's only 6 of us.
Our clone magic is undefeatable. Now to give these traitors to Master High Roller and collect my reward. You mean my reward? I did all the work. Did not. 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 What's going on? Where did these bunnies come from?
Jumpy, are those bunnies friends of yours?
Jumpy doesn't know those bunnies.
Don't just stand there! Attack the bunnies! No! They're blocking our moon power! Our clones! Our beautiful paranormal clones! Let's get out of here!
Nice bunnies. Please don't bark, hurt us.
Thank you.
Why, he came to help you in return for protecting him from me.
Ni
How? Ah, and I suppose you first came to us for some language lessons, eh? That can be arranged. But first, let's get back to Parrot Castle. I know some humans who will be happy to see us.
Can't run any further. Soldiers of darkness, prepare to meet your end at the hands of the massive zebra army. Buddy! Wait! There's 6 of us. 6 is more than 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Attack!